Hey you guys, this is Monica Gisela from Prana with Love. I am an Ayurvedic lifestyle consultant. Ayurveda is the ancient holistic medicinal system that focuses on promoting the body, mind and spirit connection. Ayurveda is actually the science sister of yoga, and it's amazing at preventing disease. If you are looking for ways for balancing your health or preventing disease, shoot me an email so we can schedule a free consultation. For tips on how to be healthier, go to my website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about 3 great uses for coconut oil. So let's get started. Okay, so the 3 great uses for coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of those things that I have always in my pantry and my bathroom because it's so versatile and it's so healthy. It just serves a variety of purposes, so I use it for a lot of things. I make my husband use it also for his own self-care. I use it for cooking. I use it for a lot of stuff. So I decided to share these 3 uses with you so you start incorporating coconut oil within your daily routine, not only for cooking, which is very nice. It gives this nutty and sweet flavor to your food when you cook it, plus it has a elevated heating point, which means you can bake with it or fry food with it, but it's also great for self-care. So today we are going to see those 3 great uses for coconut oil. The first one is exfoliation. So what I do, like every couple of days, maybe 3 times a week, I do an exfoliation to my skin. So I mix some brown sugar, organic preferably. I mix it with a little bit of coconut oil and I rub it on my face to remove all dead cells and impurities, and it makes your skin look so bright and nice. It kind of uncovers all the dirt, you know, when you go out and all the pollution gets into your face. So it's really nice to do an exfoliation. These 2, brown sugar and coconut oil, are natural products, are cheap. A little bit goes a long way. So if you buy like the regular pot of coconut oil, it can last you like 6 months or something. So it's cheap and it's a great way to keep your skin just clean and just detoxified frequently. Another thing that I do just to make the cleansing process even more powerful is I get a clean towel and I just make it wet and hot with hot water, and then I squeeze it and then I put it on top of my face so my pores open, and then I can do the exfoliation that really opens up your pores, and it kind of preps your skin for the moisturizer and the serum that you apply after. The moisturizer and the serum I use is hyaluronic serum acid, which is really nice for keeping wrinkles away. So those are nice tips for you to keep in mind. The second great use of coconut oil is for tanning your skin. So if you want to have that nice and healthy color in your skin, kind of like you just went to the beach, try this tip. So what you do is get a carrot, again organic preferably, and just cut it in slices and put it in a glass container. Add some coconut oil and just let it sit for a week or so, and then use it as a tanning oil. And it really helps you. Well, first it protects you from the sun rays, but it also gives you that nice tan color that all of us want. And it's super easy to do, it's super natural, you are not putting any chemicals in your body. Just be aware that coconut oil has a very low SPF, so be careful. Don't stay laying on the sun for hours, for example, because it's not going to cover you for that amount of time. Or just keep applying every 15 minutes or 20 minutes to keep yourself hydrated. Okay, that's the second tip. The third tip of using your coconut oil is for dandruff. According to Ayurveda, dandruff appears when there is dryness in your scalp. That's mostly produced because of a Vata disorder. So if you want to avoid that, you want to keep your scalp moisturized, right? Something that I do to avoid dandruff in my hair is that I mix coconut oil with olive oil, and then I do a massage in my scalp. And just, first of all, it's super relaxing. I play some nice music. I take it like me time. I feel awesome doing that. And just leave it for 20 minutes or so. Then when you rinse it, you can even use apple cider vinegar, for example, just to get rid of all the grease, all the coconut oil fat. But this is really good for preventing and curing dandruff. Okay, so these are my uses for coconut oil. I hope you start using it more for your cooking and for your self-care. Let me know if you have any questions on how to do one of these specific remedies at home. Shoot me an email or follow me on Instagram as well. I'll reply to your message. And I hope you have an awesome day. Love and light for you.